Hello, welcome back to BLENDERSUSHI live coding. In this episode, we're gonna take a look at the way we can use Sverchok to colorize objects. Let's say, imagine you have like a bunch of cubes. It can be cubes, and then you join it together, and this is a single mesh now. And then you want to have different color for each separate shell. How are you gonna go about doing that? This is actually useful. Similar case like the other day when we use like random leaves with the box. You probably know how to do it already. But if you have like a monkey, for example, the monkey is made of different shell as well, and then each shell have different shape and different number of vertices, and that's gonna be a little bit more tricky. But we're gonna have a look how we can do that much easier now. Thanks to Sverchok developer to create this method. So file save as, this is colorizing shell demo. So let's start with a cube first, and then we come back to the monkey. We're gonna grab the objects in, and select object. Actually, get selection, get our cube, and then vertex color new. Plug the object right away. We're gonna work on that same object, and here we're gonna to provide the index and the color. The secret here is to use the new separate loose part MK2, and this guy actually can output the index, vertex index and polygon index. So you plug in the vertices and the polygon edge, and if you check the stethoscope or check with the text viewer node, look at this data. You see there's index being outputted, and this is actually kind of useful if you want to select the face. No, this is like a numbers based on the index. That's kind of give you the ability to specify what color you want to apply into these boxes. So currently we have 4 objects, right? 4 objects, and then if I create a list item or list input, let's make it like a vector, and then we have 4 objects. This one colorize red, green, blue, and random color just for a test. And this is 4 colors, and we have 4 objects. We simply want to apply this index 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and 3, 3, 3. We can use list item for that. So this is the polygon index, and this is the color data, and the output can go to the color, and make sure we are in the correct mode, whether it's vertices or face. Currently we are using the polygon edge or the polygon data, so we use the face, and hopefully we get the result we want. Currently we don't get the result. That's because of we need to join it. We need to use list join here to join the data bags. And now, okay, we have red, green, blue, and then the yellow, because it's the yellow is from this red mixed with green. Yeah, so that's really pretty much it. Actually, it's really much simpler now. You can actually mix and match the color being generated by Sverchok with your own color. If you create another vertex color in here, and then you just do like a painting, and you can mix it together using cycles. So that's one. But if you have the monkey, if you sort the monkey, get selection, get the monkey and the cube, both of them now, and look at the result. we will see that's not gonna work actually. Just select the monkey. Let's see, get selection, just Suzanne, and then go into vertex pane. Okay, so we have the red, green, blue happening, and then yellow, yellow for the rest of the monkey. If you want to use like a random color, we can do that. So we don't, depending on how many object shells we have within that object, we can generate random color and give it a random value here. You don't want to get black, so you want to use like math and just use absolute here. So we always have a positive value. So this is how we can go about doing that. With the object here, we can have as many as shell within one object. Just join them and then get selection. Let's check the color now. It's gonna update accordingly. And now see the Sverchok actually gonna read the shell and then colorize each shells. So this is quite a nice feature. I think can be very useful if you are doing like a sapling and colorizing leaves that's actually a single mesh instead of like 1,000 or million objects. You have just a single object. You can have like million shells within one object, and then you can colorize it using this method. What else? Yes, sapling and then vine. Actually, there's also this add-on that I quite like. It's called Vine or something. Grow. Add curve. It's like something that's similar to the sapling. It generates like sapling generates tree, while the vine will generate some kind of vine that grows with a lot of leaves, and then you can use this method to colorize it. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick snapshot and call it done with this setup. I'm gonna save this and share it as gist. I guess that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, suggestion, feedback, let me know down below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.